Have you ever caught yourself losing balance for just a second, maybe while reaching for something on a shelf or stepping out of the shower, and felt that quick jolt of fear? You're not alone. Every year, millions of older adults in the U.S. experience a fall, and most happen right at home, in the same familiar spaces we walk through every day. But here's the thing. Falling isn't just a part of getting older. It's something we can actively prevent with the right habits and simple exercises. So today, we're going to talk about how to keep your balance strong, move safely, and stay confident doing all the things you love without fear holding you back. As we get older, our bodies change. Our muscles might not respond as quickly, our vision might not be as sharp, and sometimes medications can make us a little dizzy. It's all part of the natural process of aging, but that doesn't mean we have to accept the risk of falling as inevitable. In fact, research shows that most falls can be prevented with a few lifestyle changes, especially the right kind of exercise and awareness. Think of this video as your gentle guide to moving safely, keeping your independence, and feeling more confident in your own body. Whether you're in your 50s, 60s, or beyond, it's never too late to start protecting your balance and strength. Let's walk through the best fall prevention strategies that truly make a difference. Number 1, build strength in your legs and core. Let's start with something simple but powerful. Strong legs and a stable core. These are your body's foundation for balance. Without them, even small movements can feel shaky. You don't need to go to a gym to build strength. Try standing up from a chair without using your hands a few times a day, or practice holding onto the counter and slowly rising up on your toes. These small moves wake up your muscles and train your body to support itself better. Think of it like keeping the foundation of a house solid. The stronger it is, the safer everything else becomes. Number 2, improve your balance with gentle exercises. Now, here's something most people don't realize. Balance isn't just physical, it's also mental. The more your body practices balancing, the better your brain gets at controlling it. Try this. Stand behind a sturdy chair and lift one foot for a few seconds. Switch sides. You can do this while watching TV or brushing your teeth. Tai Chi and gentle yoga are also great options. Many community centers and senior programs offer classes designed just for older adults. I once met a 72-year-old man named Ron who said Tai Chi changed his life, not because it made him fit, but because he stopped feeling scared of falling every time he went down the steps. That kind of confidence changes everything. Number 3, make your home fall-proof. Now let's talk about your home, the place where most falls actually happen. Small hazards can make a big difference. Start by checking your floors. Are there throw rugs that slide, wires across walkways? Maybe the bathroom floor gets slippery after a shower? Simple fixes like adding non-slip mats, brighter lighting, and sturdy grab bars can dramatically reduce risk. If possible, keep things you use often on easy-to-reach shelves so you're not climbing or stretching awkwardly. And don't be shy about asking for help moving heavy items. Remember, prevention doesn't mean living cautiously. It means setting up your space so you can move freely without worry. Number 4, keep your vision sharp. Your eyes play a huge role in balance. If you haven't had an eye exam recently, it might be time. Poor vision or outdated glasses can make it hard to spot uneven flooring or obstacles. A woman named Linda once shared that after updating her bifocals, she stopped tripping over her own front step, something that had scared her for months. Sometimes it's the simplest fix that makes the biggest difference. And when you're walking outdoors, especially in bright sunlight, use sunglasses to reduce glare. Seeing clearly means moving confidently. Number 5, review your medications. Here's another important factor people often overlook. Medications. Some prescriptions or combinations can cause dizziness, fatigue, or lightheadedness. If you've noticed more wobbling or unsteadiness lately, talk to your doctor or pharmacist. They can review your medications and make sure nothing you're taking is increasing your risk of falls. You don't have to figure it out alone. This is about working with your healthcare team to keep you safe and steady.
Number 6, stay active every day. The truth is, the more we move, the better our balance stays. Sitting too long weakens our muscles and slows our reflexes, so even light activity helps. Take short walks around your home, stretch your arms and legs during TV breaks, or put on music and dance for a few minutes. Staying active doesn't have to be exercise. It's simply about keeping your body in motion. Movement tells your muscles, joints, and brain, I still need you, and they respond by staying strong and alert. And finally, listen to your body and move mindfully. Always listen to your body. If you feel tired, lightheaded, or stiff, slow down. Rest isn't weakness, it's part of recovery. Before changing positions, like getting out of bed or standing up from a chair, take a few seconds to steady yourself. Those small pauses can prevent big accidents. Mindful movement also builds awareness, and awareness is your best protection against falls. So, let's recap. Staying safe and steady isn't about avoiding movement, it's about moving smart. Strengthen your legs and core. Practice balance daily. Make your home safer. Keep your vision clear. Review your medications. Stay active. And always listen to your body. These small habits add up, not just to prevent falls, but to help you live with more confidence, independence, and joy. Every step you take toward safety is a step toward freedom. The freedom to move without fear, to enjoy your home, and to keep doing what you love. You deserve that peace of mind. If this video helped you or reminded you of something you want to work on, I invite you to subscribe. Here we share simple, science-backed tips to help you stay strong, healthy, and happy at any age. You might also share this video with a friend or family member. Sometimes a small reminder like this can make a big difference in someone's life. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself, move gently, and keep moving forward, one safe, confident step at a time.